Mr. and Mrs. Screwdriver in space travel. Da 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 da. Please enjoy the music while everything's being set up. Thank you for your cooperation. We will now be returning to our show. Dear, Toolbox Town is getting a little boring. And since Mrs. Drill moved in next door, she always has a lot to brag about since she's an electric drill and we are, well, you mean manual drills? And yes, since our friendly neighbors went on vacation to Australia, I think it's about time we went on vacation ourselves. Yes, now where can we go to? Taking a class at the BIA? Taking a class at the BIA? The Buildings Institute of America. But, dear, we've been there. Where else? Outer space! We would see all sorts of neat things, including aliens. Well, we better pack right away, dear. And off we go. That's the end of episode number 1. Please enjoy the music while we will be saying the subtitles.